Good morning, my friends. Today we have a 2010 Dodge Charger with a 3.5 liter V6 engine that has a steering problem on the right hand side. When the pothole passes, it has a rattle sound, so we are going to change the lower ball joint on the side right. The first thing is we are going to do is put a jack and jack stand, and then we are going to remove the wheel, and I'm going to show it. Well, we already removed the wheel, and also we put the jack and jack stand on the chassis. It is very important to put the jack stand on the chassis, and then apply the emergency brake for the car don't slide in the back side on the front side. It's very important. Well, the next step is we show you where is the located the ball joint. Are this piece is the ball joint. It's bolted off on the frame, and another part is on the wheel. Okay, this part is the we started replace. Well, another part that show you is the control are lower, it's in the back side, but they show good. And this part is what it started replace. Okay, in this place they got a slide, and in the wheel they got another loose. Well, I can show you right now, but when I take the part out, I will show you how loose is the ball joint on the part of the wheel. The ball joint, they got one bolt in the wheel, is bolted off on the lower side. Okay, this is the bolt, it needs to be loose, and we put a tool in the top for tie pull out. The next step, we pull this bolt on the frame, we loosen the bolt and take the bolt out. Okay, we are going to use these tools to remove the lower ball joint. This tool goes on the top. The first, we take out the nut. I always put the nut in a couple threads because it's very important when you hit it, the tools, the ball joints don't jump it. The reason we are hitting the tool for pull it out is they got conical part, and this is stuck on another part, so we need to be heated for peel off. Okay, this is the tool we set on the lower side, the ball joint, and we use the big hammer and hit it for keep loose the part. Okay, I want to show you this time we remove the tie rod end too, because we need more room where they hit it, the ball joint. Okay, we take off the tie rod end, okay, and then we got more room for hitting the ball joint. Okay, the ball joint be loose too. We take that knot off, and then it's already pulled out. Okay. Well, we put the knot back for keeping the place, and the next step we pull it. That bolt was set on the frame. Okay, we take that knot on the back side. Okay, this is the knot, and then we take the bolt out. Be careful, we take the knot out. Ooh, the bolt almost hit my cell phone. Oh no, I can't believe I don't want to buy another cell phone. Okay, anyway, it's ready to pull it out. Okay, now we got off the tie, sorry, we got off the ball joint. Okay, I want to show you how loose is the ball joint. Okay, look at that. See this part, look at that. Up and down, up and down, up and down. This is the noise with the feeling when I drive it on the road, when they pass the potholes. They sound like a tuck, 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 tuck. Okay, this is where the from comes from. Okay, I want to show you. We continue. I got a part. This time is the Branch Master Pro, and they buy on O'Reilly's part store. Okay, I got left hand and the right hand, so we take it for check it exactly. She is the same part. Okay, let me check this size. Okay, this say in the part he say letter L. So letter L is the left handle. This part is for the left side. We need a right handle. Okay, the another part is right handle. Okay, so we start to take it the right. It's the same branch we buy O'Reilly's too. Okay, we got the right handle part, and we set beside another for checking. Yes, exactly the same part. Okay, this one look like it is. Okay, you seen it exactly. Okay, this is the part. It's exactly like we needed replacing the right handle. Anyway, you have to keep it loose. The new one is not loose anything. This one, they got some loose, up and down, up and down. You check the new one, it complete tight. That's the difference. Amigos, okay. I will continue here. This time, we started putting back the part on the car. The first thing to do I did is put in the frame, and the second I will put in the wheel. And when I anticipated and say sorry because without shaking too much the cell phone, because I use one hand the cell phone, another hand put the part back on the car. Anyway, I will try. I got already in the wheel. I try put the part on the frame. Needs to be stick a little bit more for put the bolt. Okay, look a little bit complicated because I'm on the row. Okay, oh, come out the front part anyway. I will try start again. Okay, I wish right now I set the part on the place. I put in the frame first, I put the bolt, I put the second on the wheel, I put the knot and tight. And we started putting back the tire end. We set the tire end, we put a knot, and then we tied. Okay. Okay, we try tight. It needs to be keep the part sticky on the part and tight. We tied everything, all the parts, and I say, my friends, do not forget to like it this video, and if you want more people now how replace the lower bow joint on that 2010 Dodge Charger, you can share this video for